In this video, we are going to see about radiographic testing. Radiographic testing comes under the types of non-destructive testing process. In this radiographic testing, the main purpose is to inspect the internal structure of materials without cutting or damaging them. And it works very important in industrial applications as well, and it is applicable in many of the industrial applications in medical, not only in the medical, but we are here focusing on industrial applications for many of the materials which is coming out from the manufacturing. After the machining process, we have to find out whether any flaws or any defects is there inside the material. So for finding all those flaws, we are using this method, and it works when a radiation source such as X-rays or gamma rays is directed at the object, and the object is placed between the source and the detector. The detector is the film, is like a film where we can see the flaws, and the source emits the radiation. It emits X-ray as well as a gamma ray. The source emits the radiation on the object. After the radiation penetrates through the object, some amount of defects will be appeared on the film. If there is any defect, it will be appear on the film. So film plays a crucial role on getting output, and radiation passes through the material. It may be a thicker material or denser material. Depending upon the material, it varies. For taking X-ray, it is applicable for thinner materials. So because X-ray can penetrate which is less than to the gamma ray, so gamma ray is applicable for thick materials. This is the meaning. This is a two main difference. And next we will move on to the process, how the principle is work. The first basic principle we are going to see is X-ray radiographic testing. In X-ray radiographic testing, as you can able to see in the figure, the radiation is emits from the source. After the radiation is emits, it reaches the workpiece. Here we are focusing on the welded material or the welded component. You need to find out whether any defect is there in the welded component or not inside the welded component. So for that we are sending the X-ray through the source. After sending the X-ray, the film which is placed on the right side of the material. So if there is any defect is in the weld, then with the help of the rays, the defect will be appeared in the film. So from that we can able to find out in this position this type of weld is there. And next move on to the gamma ray. In gamma ray, the basic system what we have applied in X-ray only, here also we are applying. Here instead of X-ray source with high voltage, we have to give 20k volt. But whereas here, with the help of the cobalt 60 or cobalt 192, we can able to produce a gamma rays which has high penetration power. So it penetrates in a thicker materials. The same weld we are projecting here, it penetrates in the thicker welds. So after penetrating, we can able to find out if there is any defect which is present inside the material, and we can find out at the exact position and type of the defect what is present on in the weld with the help of the film. So in radiographic testing there are a number of types, but we are here focusing on film radiographic testing. So from this video we have learnt about X-ray radiographic testing as well as gamma ray radiographic testing. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.